how to send PyCoin from Bitget to Pi wallet. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on Assets. Select this spot from the top bar. Now in search for Pi, like that. So after you find it, tap on it. Now here from the bottom, in these three dots, tap on it. Now tap on Withdraw. Now tap on On-Chain Withdrawal, as you can see. Now as you can see here, you need the withdrawal address to get it. Now go back and open the Pi browser. So after that, tap on Wallet. And now to unlock your wallet, you need to get that 24 word. So I will just unlock my wallet and get back to you. So now after you unlock your wallet, what you need to do, tap on Pay and Request. Now tap on the Share My Contacts. Now as you can see here, this is your address. Now copy it. And now go back to Bitget wallet, to Bitget exchange, sorry. So here, paste it here, as you can see. Now here in the network, as you can see, you can now select the on-chain, as you can see, the Ethereum. Now in the amount, how much you want to send, tap on it. Now, as you can see, after that, tap on withdraw. So because I don't have any fund on my Bitget, I can't be able to do that. So for you, just tap on withdraw and you will be able to send the PyCoin from Bitget to Pi wallet. So this is how to send PyCoin from Bitget to Pi wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.